Hello students, welcome back. This is class 4th math and we are doing exercise work of unit number 3A, and today we will discuss question number 4, write in figures. So here some number names are given students. These numbers names you have to write in figure. Here blocks are not given, period blocks are not given. So how we will write this number in figure? Let us see one by one. A 37,458. 37,000 means 30,000 and 7,000. 30 plus 7. 458 means at 100 place 4, and 58 means 5 tens and 8 ones. So these numbers we have. How we will write in figure? So let us understand this first by making the period block for this number. Now see, I have made this period block till 10 crore period, ones, tens, 100, ones period, 1000, 10,000, 1000 period, lakh, 10 lakh, lakh period, and crore, 10 crore, crore period. So this is your place value chart. And which number we have? We will move from right side. So in ones period we have 458. So in ones period we will write 458. Then 1000 period we have 37,000. It means at 10,000 3, at 1,000 7, 37,458. This number we have to write this number in figure. So how we will write? 37,000 comma 458. This is in figure. After one's period we will put comma for the next period. 37,458. B1 93,000. It is mentioning about 1000 period. 93,000 means 90,000 plus 3,000 and 200. 200 means at 100 place in one's period 2. So it is given this much only, 93,200. So you can see the period block for this. Now if we talk about in one's period, ones and tens place is not mentioned, only 100 place is given 2. And 1,000, 10,000, 93,000 means at 1,000 3 and 10,000 3, 9. So 93,200. So how we will write this in figure? 93,000 comma 200. This is like this way we will write in figure. C1 52,000. 52,000 means 50,000 plus 2,000 and 35. Only 35. It means in one's period 3 tens and 5 ones. So with this number we have 52,000 and 35. Now this is the period block for this number we have. In one's period we have 35. So we will write 5 at ones and 3 at tens. 35. 100 place it is not mentioned, so we will put 0. And in 1000 period it is given 52,000. So 5 and 2. 52,000 and 35. So how we will write in figure? 52,000 comma 1000 period over, then one's period 0 3 5. 52,000 and 35. D1 2 lakh. You can see here lakh period given, at lakh place it is mentioned 2. 41,000 means 40,000 plus 1,000. 800 at 100 place 8 and 9. 9 at ones place. So how we will write this number in figure? You can see this is the period block for this number. So we will start writing from right side. In ones period we have 809. So 800, 10 places it is not given, so 0 and 9. 809. In 1000 period we have 41,000. It means 4 10,000 and 1,000, 41,000. And in lakh period we have only lakh place, that is 2. So 2,41,809. So how we will write this in figure? 2, 41, 809. Once period, 1000 period 41,000, lakh period 2. So 2,41,809. Like this way we will write in figures. Even 74 lakh. You can see here in lakh period, lakh and 10 lakh both places are mentioned. 74 lakh means 70 lakh plus 4 lakh. 53,000. 1000 and 10,000 both places are there. 50,000 plus 3,000. 53,000. 500. 500 at 100 place 5 and 21. 21 means 2 tens and 1 ones. So this is we have to write in figure. So let us see how we will write this in period block. At ones period we have 521. So 521. Okay. Then at 1000 period we have 53,000. So 5 10,000 and 3,000, 53,000. In lakh period we have 74 lakh. It means 7 10 lakh and 4 lakh. So how we will write in figure this? 74 lakh, lakh period over 53,000, 1000 period over 521. Once period. So 74 lakh 53,521. Like this way we will write in figures. Now one more, F1, 1 crore. Here crore period 1 crore. 1 is given 23 lakh. 23 lakh to 20 lakh plus 3 lakh. 45,000. 45,000 means 40 lakh plus 5,000. And 600 at 100 place 6 and 78. 78 means 7 tens and 8 ones. So students, you can see these numbers go still crore period. So we will start from ones period from right side. It is given 678. So we will write 678. 678. In 1000 period it is given 45,000 means 4 5 45,000. And lakh period we have 23 lakh. So 2 and 3 23 lakh. And crore period we have 1 crore 23 lakh 45,678. This how we will write in figure. Crore period, comma 23 lakh, comma lakh period 45,000, comma 1000 period 678. So after every period we will put comma writing the digits of these numbers, these large numbers. So students, this is the way of writing large numbers in figure. Do practice it. In my next video we will continue with the next question, that is question number 5.